In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Cash App won't let you send money. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of steps you can follow, 8 to be exact. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data at the top. Well, if that is not the case, you want to go ahead and check your Cash App system status. You can simply head to status.cash.app, which is going to go ahead and show you if they are still operational at the moment, or it could be a maintenance break as well. If that is not the case, simply go ahead and head into your profile, go to personal, and then make sure that you are verified in your Cash App as your account. Now, if that is not the case, your spending limits might have also been exceeded. Sometimes that happens quite often. Simply go ahead and check your spending limit. If that is not the case, your application could have a new update that is pending. Simply go ahead and update it. And if you're on an Android, you can simply go ahead and clear the cache by heading into settings. If none of it works, then you might need to check your payment methods or even contact Cash App support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.